S2K. And I got this bumper fastener which I just installed. You can either do a zigzag or you can just do a round one. The reason why I do this is to make it tighter on the other side. What I did is I don't have to remove the wheel, just have to turn the wheel the other side so you can access from the fender and the bumper, and then just screw with the washer and the bolt. So you have to drill with the I used the five bolt bits, drill bits. So yep, that's all that I did today. Next I'll be doing installation of the steering wheel for my replacing the OEM steering wheel with the airbag. So unfortunately I won't be using any airbag for the steering wheel on the driver's side. I didn't record this much, just put in the boss kit. I cut off one groove because it will have contact with this thing. So what I did is putting in remove the steering and then putting in the Workspell short boss kit for Rapfix, and then followed by the Workspell Nardi personal to Momo's or Sparco steering adapter, the one with a lot of holes that you can see here. Quick test and failed with this 330mm steering wheel, so I need to try something else. After a few days of troubleshooting this is the best one I can come up with, that I can tilt up without touching the dashboard. Everything perfectly right now. So this what I did is this is the slim profile boss kit. This is the converter. It's about half an inch converter from Momo to Nardi, because I'm using a personal steering. And then this is another, I'm not too sure, is it 1 inch spacer, and this will be the tilt up kit, the works bell. So yep, and the steering and the horn button. I bought this and apparently the hole doesn't line up. Yeah, bought it in Malaysia. So the Vertex one, the reason why I put this in is because when it's too much of extension, as you can see here. It's about probably probably 2 inch here of the extension, approximately. So I can't, you see my finger won't be able to reach the signal button, hence why Vertex has produced this so much easier. So now I can push my seat far at the back and hold the steering like that. Yep. One thing is, the reason why I do have the tilt kit is so when I enter the car and exit the car is easier without hitting your leg with the steering wheel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.